Hey girl, hey. Today I'm gonna be doing something a little bit different. I'm gonna be shopping online for a family of 8. And I'm just gonna show you guys our process, how we do things, and then show you guys our haul at the end. All right, stay tuned. So first I'm gonna go to Sam's, and then I'm gonna sign in. Okay, now I'm signed in. I'm gonna go up here to easy reorder. The beauty about ordering groceries online now is it has this feature. You do your first order and then you can go back in here and do frequently ordered products. So this is everything that we frequently order. And you can choose from the stuff that you always get from there. And it makes your purchasing a lot quicker. So I know that we need more of these. So I'm gonna go to this screen, and if we need more of those products, then I'm gonna just click that we need it. We actually do need more Kleenex, so I'm gonna get that one. What? They changed some things to in club only. Could actually use these trash bags. Need more syrup. We like these, so we'll get more of those. Wait on those. My kids love these sweet and salty snacks, so we'll get those. Of course, we're gonna get some more mops. I think we need some more wings. I'll add those. Meatballs. Sauce, Jimmy Dean sausages, Nature's Valley granola bars, and then we like these Ann's Organic bunny snack packs. My kids love those. I don't think we need many breakfast bars. We might do some granola, so we can have some with yogurt and fruit. We'll do some cookies. They all love these Wisconsin beef sticks. We probably gonna do this chicken breast 6-pound bag. A lot of our meats we get from the same store, so I'll probably just wait and get those later. So after you go to easy reorder and you go through the items that you normally purchase, you just click reorder items, and then everything will populate into your cart. And then if you have any other items that you want, you just simply search for them, add them to your cart. So now I'm at the point where I am getting ready to check out. So I'm gonna begin the checkout process. It's asking me, do I want to renew my membership? Not yet. I'll do it in the month. So now it's giving me my options of how my items are going to come to me, and asking about the specific stores that I wanted to go to. So I'm gonna finish this cart up and make my purchase, and I will show this haul later on in the video. The next one I'll do is Walmart. One more thing before I make any purchases, I go to the old Ebates, I think it's called Rakuten now, and I put all my information in, and I'll go to Sam's first since that's who I usually do my first order with. And before I make my purchase, I know I can make back 1.5%. So I'm gonna click that so I can make money off of my purchases. And I'll do the same for any other store that I'm shopping with online. I completed my order with Sam's Club. So now I'm gonna move on to the Walmart order. And you go over here for the groceries. And then I'm just gonna sign on real quick. Okay, now we're shopping. Now, one thing I can say about Walmart's regular website, it is pretty hard to find things lately. I don't know what that's about. I think they were trying to be more like Amazon and have other vendors on there. And it's kind of hard to find the Walmart products when you're looking for them. But on the food side, I can say that this is really, really easy to use, and I really, really like it. So I'm currently in my favorites. I know Walmart has an option that's pretty similar to Sam's, and this is pretty much stuff that I normally order. So I'm gonna go through this favorite section and add everything to my cart that I wanna add. I know it's another option where you can get everything that you've gotten previously, but I'm gonna have to find that here. But yeah, just bear with me. But this is everything that I've ordered in the past. So I'm gonna go through and this little section and click everything that we want to reorder, and then order it, kind of show you guys that process, and then we'll show the haul at the end. No, I wouldn't do any vegetables and fruit. I will go in the store and purchase those. Just my personal opinion. At this point, I continued to go through the favorites section and picked all the items we needed in our household, as well as search for additional items. At this point, I was beginning to check out, but you know they always get you with them extras. Here, I'm looking through my order details and the possible substitution bar. Okay, and that completes our Walmart order, and we'll be back with the haul. Okay, I'm on my way to go pick up my order. Inside Sam's, and you come inside the store for the pickup. Right now, the guy's getting the food ready. Okay, now I'm at Walmart and I am about to get my order. Now I'm at the right spot and now I'm about to be waiting for my order for pickup. All right, you guys, this is the haul. Everything in total costs $805.96 in retail. Now, I don't think I'm gonna name off everything, but we have oil, milk, juice, we got yogurt, we got condiments, we got cream cheese, butter, so that's over there, mayo, ranch, some jellies. We got milk right here, more milk. We got more juice there. We got some eggs down here. We got veggies, lots of veggies and fruit. We got some meat, some roast. We got some hamburger up underneath all of this, one of the long hamburgers. We got chicken patties, we got sausages, we got frozen fruits and frozen veggies here. We got all kinds of breads right here, dinner breads. We got bagels, sandwich breads. We got snacks back here, different snack bars, and our cereals. Let me come across here on this other side here. We got our cereals and hot cereals. Got some fish sticks, garlic bread, apple sauces, more condiments, juice, peanut butters. We got our fruit cups, more snack options here. And this is the front view. We got some tuna there. And then on this side, we got some more milk. We got cheese, we got sausage, French toast, chimichangas. My husband likes to take those to work. We got cookies. We got some chicken breasts here. We got some meatballs. We love these. So we got 2 boxes of those stuffed chicken breasts. Got some tissue and we got some challenge items. Guys, that's the end of my haul. Please subscribe. I'll have more content like this, as well as beauty, fashion, and other home and lifestyle type of vlogs and videos. Please drop a like if you enjoyed the content. Be sure to drop me a comment. Let me know you guys' thoughts and other ideas you guys would like, what you guys would like to see from my channel. And thank you for watching.